Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another monthly beauty subscription unboxing, and this is going to be my Ipsy versus Boxycharm unboxing. So I didn't do an Ipsy or Boxycharm unboxing last month because I got mine a little later and it was actually in the complex office the whole time, and I wasn't able to retrieve it until so much later in the end of the month. But I did post what I received in my Boxycharm. I don't know why I didn't post anything about my Ipsy. I don't even know if I received it. I think I did. But I got a lot of good stuff on Ipsy and Boxycharm last month. I just didn't get a chance to film it because it was just towards the end of the month and it was just too late. But I got my Ipsy and Boxycharm over the weekend, and I figured I'll share it with you guys because I'm super excited to see what I received in both of my Ipsy and Boxycharm unboxing. By the way, this is for the month of December. I'm going to be doing Ipsy first and then Boxycharm. If you guys want to skip ahead and just want to hear what I received in my Boxycharm, I will have the timestamp listed down below in the description box as well as on the screen somewhere over here. If you guys would love to see what I received in both of these boxes, then be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and also hit the notification bell so you guys can always stay posted whenever I upload a new video on my channel. So if you guys would love to see what I received in December's Ipsy and Boxycharm, then let's just go ahead and get started. So today's look is more of a casual, messy bun hair but with more smoky, glowy, glam makeup. So I know it's a weird combination, but I just wanted to throw in a sweatshirt but just look kind of nice for this video, hence the makeup look and the attire. So let's just go ahead and start off with Ipsy. If you guys are not aware of what Ipsy is a $10 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 deluxe sample products, and most of these boxes are always worth more than the subscription itself, if that makes sense. Ipsy sometimes has full-size samples or deluxe samples, sometimes they're just regular size samples, and sometimes you'll get makeup brushes and all that stuff. Sometimes you'll get full-size items as well, but mostly it's just full-size or deluxe size samples. So let's just go ahead and see what I received in this month's Ipsy bag. Okay, so I am absolutely loving this month's bag. I absolutely love the design. This is in the back, it has like a faux leather material, and then in the back and the other side it has a very beautiful gold sequined style, and this is perfect for the holidays or New Year's. It's so cute, and I absolutely love the little tassel handle on it as well. So let's just go ahead and see what's inside the bag. Okay, this month's theme is be merry, be bright, be bold, be you. So this is again circulated around the holiday season. As always, you get the card, but they don't tell you what you could receive in the bag or the prices or anything like that. So that's the only difference. But I really love how the card looks like. Very, very festive, very colorful, very cute. Let's just start off with the first thing that I'm gonna be grabbing is this one. Ooh. Okay, so I'm actually gonna you know what, I don't have my phone because my son is playing with it, but this is from the brand F.A.R.A.H, and this is an eyeshadow blending brush. So I really love how this brush looks like, and it's nice and fluffy, feels very, very soft. That's what I love, and I absolutely love how cute the handle is. It's like a rose gold handle, and it's just so skinnier towards the bottom, and it's very, very lightweight. So, and the handle feels different. I never really owned something like this with this kind of a barrel, but I really like how, like, you see where I put my fingers in, it fits perfectly on my fingers. But I love how soft it is and all that. I can't wait to use it. It's really, really soft. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm excited to look into this. But yeah, I really love receiving eyeshadow brushes or makeup brushes in my beauty subscription box. I rarely buy brushes anymore because I always receive them in either Boxycharm or Ipsy, but this is really, really nice. By the way, as always, if you guys are new to my videos, my unboxing videos, I always have the prices listed down in the description box, or sometimes I'll also have it in the screen, on the screen over here. But the one thing about Ipsy, I only put the full size because I never know what the sample size prices are, so I always put the full size, but I always make sure to let you guys know that the prices that I put next to the product are all full size product prices. So next thing in the bag is this one. Okay, so this is from Finding Ferdinand, and I believe we got something like this a few months ago. I don't remember if it was a skincare product or a makeup product, But this is, oh, so this is a blush. So this is a blush. It is in the shade Skinny Dip. Okay, so, oh, this is interesting. So I like the way the packaging is. I thought it was a skincare product because of the way the packaging is. But it does, I love how they describe it. It just says quantity 1, and then they tell you the product and they give you choices, and then they checked up blush, and then they said color name Skinny Dip, and then the application for use on cheeks only, and then they tell you what the net worth is, and it says 0.14 ounces. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna open it up, and it's bubble wrap. Oh, okay, so you can put this in an eyeshadow or a Z palette, that's what you call it. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it's like a single pan blush. Ooh, I love this. This is a nice size blush pan. So again, this is in the shade Skinny Dip. It looks like a great everyday mauve shade. Oh, it feels really, really soft, you guys. So that is what it looks like. Let's swatch it. I have a little foundation on the back of my hand. Okay, so this is very, very sheer, but I'm sure you can build it up. But I really love the formula. I don't know if you guys can see that somewhere over here. Don't mind the foundation on my hand. I'll just wipe it off in a minute. But that is what the blush looked like. But I really love how it felt. It felt very, very buttery and soft, and I can't wait to try it. I love receiving pans, like eyeshadow pans or blush pans, because I can easily throw them in a Z palette. So this is really great, and I really love how it came in the packaging. I think it's super unique. Again, I thought it was skincare. So let's go ahead and see what we have next in the bag. There's a couple more items in here, so I'm just gonna pull them out. Okay, so the next one is from the brand Stowaway, and it is the Effortless eyeliner. I don't know what shade this is. Okay, so I have to go online and look up the shade, but it looks, the packaging, by the way, this is what the packaging looks like. It's a sample size, obviously, and let's just see what it looks like. How cute. It's super tiny. That is what it looked like right there. Okay, so it's a tiny eyeshadow, and it's retractable. So this is what it looked like right there, and let's just swatch this. Okay, so it looks like a very dark charcoal gray eyeliner. So it feels good on when I swatched it. It doesn't feel chalky or anything. And I've never owned a charcoal gray eyeliner shade for an eyeliner, so I'm excited to try this out. Again, another brand that I've never even heard of, so I'm excited. If you guys are wanting to try brands that have you never even heard of, the Ipsy is a great way to try out new brand that you've never even heard of. So next in the F.A.R.A.H bag is this one from Ciaté, London. I really, really love products from Ciaté. I absolutely love their eyeliner pencil, the gel eyeliner. My daughter actually has it now, so I have to buy myself a new one. But this is the glitter flip liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Effortless. So this is what the packaging looks like, a deluxe sample size. Ciaté London liquid lipstick are so good, and they don't really have a scent. Alright, so let's just swatch this. Okay, so it's a really, really nice shade of, how do I describe this? It's like a reddish brown shade. I'm all about describing shades, by the way, if you guys are new to my channel. But that is what it looks like. It doesn't have a scent. I'm going to leave this on the back of my hand to see if it's going to dry out matte. But it looks like it's starting to dry out a little matte. So I'm going to see if it's a drying matte, comfortable matte, or a sheen kind of matte. There's two more things in the bag. The next one is from Generation Clay. And this is the Ultra Violet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Oh, this is exciting. Okay, it says it nourishes, brightens, and it's radiant and refined. Okay, so I love clay mask. Again, I've never heard of this brand before, but I love the packaging. So cute. I can't wait to try this out. Maybe I'll try this out with my daughter. I did do a mask video with her, the Movia mask, on my channel, and that was exciting. So maybe this is going to be another one that we're going to try out together. She's 11 years old and she's almost 12, so she loves playing around with makeup and all that, so I'm excited to try this out with her. Hey, last thing in the bag was this one from Dr. Lipp, and this is the tint, and it just says Dr. Lipp, and I guess this is a lip tint, and this is in the shade Sweet Potato Pigment. So again, another sample size, another brand I've never even heard of, but I love lip tints. Let's just see what it looks like. Alright, so it looks like so. And I'm just gonna swatch it, squeeze a little bit out. Don't squeeze too much. Oh, this is pretty. Alright, so that is what it looked like. You see that glossy shade right there? Not much of a scent. It's a little bit of scent, but it's not too overpowering. But I love this. I think that would go really well on top of the Ciaté one. So pretty. I really love this one. Okay, so that is all of the products that I received in this month's Ipsy bag. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end. Also, look down in the description box because I'm going to have the full size value of all these products. Alright, so now that we've got Ipsy done, let's just go ahead and move on to Boxycharm. If you guys are not aware of what a Boxycharm is, it is a 21 monthly beauty subscription where you get about 4 to 5 full-size products, and the products in the boxes are always worth more than the subscription box itself. And by the way, the shape of this box is very, very different from the past boxes because it's more of a longer rectangular shape. So I'm excited, and it's pretty heavy. So let's just go ahead and open this up. Excited! I've seen some previews and I'm so excited to see what I received in this month's box. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. And then you have a card, and this month's theme is Tis the Season, and they spelled season season, S-E-A-S-U-N, so cute. More like a tropical feel, very different from the South. I live in South Carolina. It's kind of cold today. Well, it's not too cold, but we're in like the mid-50s. It does get cold in December. So, oh, and the card feels a little bit more lightweight than the past cards. So, difference between this card and Ipsy card, Boxycharm will always have the product that you received in the box on the back of the card, as well as the retail value and how to use the product. So, let's just go ahead and begin. Alright, so the first product that I received is this one from Tarte, and this is the Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint. So, I really love the gold packaging on this, and I love Tarte lip paint. Oh, and I got the shade Insta Famous. Very cute. Right, so this one, by the way, is going to retail for this Tarte's lip paint. Is going to retail for $20. Ooh, this is pretty. This will look really great on on top of any liquid lipstick, even like a nude one. Oh, it will give such a shimmery wet look to your lips. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this is pretty. It has like a pinky gold sheen to it. It's not glittery where you feel the the grit and the glitter. So that is what it looks like right there on top. Gorgeous shade. I can't wait to try this out. I have so many new products that I want to share with you guys, and I want to do a trying out new makeup video very soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm probably gonna throw this in that video as well, but I'm excited for this one. Alright, next up in the bag or in the box is this one. This is from the brand Cosmetics. This is from the brand Cosmetics, and this is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. Oh, another charcoal mask. Oh, I got a lot of masks to try. So, this one, let's see what the claims are. It says detoxify your pores from daily grind with Cosmetics Activated Charcoal Mask. And it says, okay, I cannot read that word, but I'll put it on the screen. That word visibly improves the brightness of your skin, while the activated charcoal and kaolin clay draw out dirt and impurities from your pores. I'm gonna write down that on the screen somewhere here because some of these words I don't know how to read. And this one retails for $30. So yeah, another clay mask. I really love clay mask because I feel like clay mask helps take out all the impurities from your skin. I wouldn't suggest using it every day, maybe twice a week, just to remove all the impurities and all that nasty stuff on your face that just accumulates on your face during the whole week. But I'm excited to try this out. So I got 2 clay masks to try out. Alright, next thing in the box is this one right here. Okay, this is from Bodyography, and this is the lip liner, and it's in the shade Heather Berry. So I've never heard of this brand before, but it looks like a mauvey looking shade, like with a hint of brown to it. It's a pencil one. I think that would go really well with the Ciaté one. And I bet if you put the Tarte's Shimmering Lip Paint on top of this, I think it will look really, really pretty. So that is what it looked like right there on top. Didn't feel uncomfortable when I was trying to swatch it, so it feels really good, and it's a beautiful shade. It has like a brown mauve tint to it, so I'm excited to try this out. I think this would be really perfect for the holidays. So I think I got 2 more products in the box. So the next one is this one from Wonder Beauty. I love Wonder Beauty, and this is the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Dusk to Dawn palette. By the way, the lip liner retails for $12. Okay, so this is the Wonder Beauty Dusk to Dawn blush and highlighter palette. This retails for $28. I love the packaging, by the way. It's so cute. Might save the box because it's so pretty. I love receiving highlighters and blush palette. I think they're so pretty. So this is what it looks like, and then you get a mirror inside and 3 pans, 2 blushes, and a highlighter. So one could probably pass on a bronzer as well. It has a smell to it, but not a nice smell, but it's not a nasty smell either. So you get 2 blushes and a highlighter. You get Tuscan Sunrise, Havana Nights, and City Lights. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it. They feel buttery for sure. Okay, so they're not as pigmented, but I'm sure if you build them up, you can get the intensity that you want. But I did swatch it on my arm right here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is what it looks like. I love all the colors. Again, you can probably build this up. They're not overly pigmented where you're gonna be like, crazy looking when you apply it. So I'm sure these blushes and these highlighters can be built up. But I really love the formula. It feels buttery and soft and not chalky or anything like that. Got one more product in the box. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Yes, it is. Boxycharm has been doing so well with eyeshadow palettes. It's amazing. This is from Super Beauty, and this is the Protege palette, and this retails for $34. So the packaging feels really luxurious. It has like a matte packaging. It's really pretty. I've never heard of Super Beauty before, so I'm excited to try this. It says this is an eyeshadow palette, and when you open it up, oh, I love the size of the mirror on this. Yeah, beautiful. So with this palette, you get 2 highlighters and 6 eyeshadow pans. It looks like there's 4 mattes and 2 shimmer shadows. These are so gorgeous. I love this. Just go ahead and swatch. I'm running out of room to swatch. I'm going to go ahead and take some of these out. By the way, the Ciaté London lipstick, the liquid lipstick, it has dried out to a matte, but it looks like a sheen kind of matte. It's not a drying matte, but that's good. I'm just going to swatch. Oh, it feels, oh my god, it's so pigmented. So that is what the highlighter looked like. This is the shade F.A.R.A.H. Gorgeous, you guys. You guys can see that. So pretty. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch a shimmer shadow as well as a matte shadow. These are pretty. I really love that. I can't wait to use this in a makeup tutorial because these eyeshadows are so good quality and the packaging is amazing. So I really love this. I'm excited to try this out. I don't have my calculator with me because my son is playing with my phone outside, but I will have the full retail value for Boxycharm on the screen over here as well as on the description box. But like I said, the value of the box is always worth more than the subscription box itself. If you guys are wanting to, so I'm trying to take off these swatches. If you guys are wanting to grow your makeup collection and want to try out new brands, definitely check out Boxycharm and Ipsy. If you guys want to subscribe, I will have the links to both of them down below in the description box. You just click on it and subscribe. Again, Boxycharm is $21 a month and then Ipsy is $10 a month. I don't know if it's the same as where you guys live, but for me in my state they started charging me with tax, but the taxes are not that crazy. So those are the stuff that I got in my boxes and my Ipsy bag this month. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bag and Boxycharm. If you guys are subscribers to Boxycharm and Ipsy, let me know in the comments below. Did you guys love your box? Did you guys hate it? Did you guys wish that you guys got something else? I actually wanted to get the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder, but I didn't because I really wanted to try that out. But I'm going to see if Sephora has it because I've heard so many great things about it. Nevertheless, I actually love everything that I received in both Ipsy and Boxycharm. Let me know in the comments what you guys got in your Ipsy and Boxycharm this month down in below. If you guys love these videos, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you guys leave so you guys can always stay notified every time I upload a new video on my channel and be part of my YouTube family. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.